Today we learn letter U. U for umbrella.
U for umbrella, keeps us dry. U, umbrella, splash, splash, fun. Umbrella up, rain goes away. U for umbrella, so useful. U for unicorn, so magical. Unicorn runs fast, wee wee. Unicorn, beautiful friend. Unicorns are unique and special. Let's explore underground. Heroes ready. U for underground, treasures hidden. Underground is full of wonders. So much beauty underneath us. U for uniform, we dress same. Uniforms make us look united. Uniform, neat and tidy. Uniform helps us play together. Going upstairs, 1, 2, 3. U for upstairs, books everywhere. Upstairs we create beautiful things. U for ukulele, sweet music. U for ukulele, strum, strum. Ukulele makes happy sounds, yay! Ooh, ooh, ukulele, la, la. 4 strings make lovely music. Yay!
U for uncle, family love. Uncle is fun and kind.
Uncle, thank you.
See, Nick, sharing is important. It makes everyone happy.
Uncle teaches us important things. U for under, shade so cool. Under the tree, playtime. Secret spot under leaves above. Tiny world lives under here. U for up, high, high, high. Up, down, whee! Going up to floor 5. Up in sky, everything's small. U for useful. Tools help us. Spoons are useful for mixing food. useful makes us heroes. Useful hands help fix things. Understanding means we listen carefully. Let's understand both feelings here. Understanding makes learning easier, yes. Understanding means we care together. U for universe, so big. Universe has many, many stars. This universe is beautiful and endless.
Universe adventure, blast off! Whee!
The duckling felt different and sad. Nobody understood me before transformation.
Ugly duckling became beautiful swan.
Everyone becomes beautiful being themselves. U for unite, together strong. United. United, we complete the challenge. When united, we build amazing. Unity makes us all stronger. World looks funny upside down. Upside down, everything different view. Ooh, upside down play.
Whee! Upside down is exciting!
U for umpire, fair play. Umpire keeps game rules honest.
Umpires help games run smoothly.
Good umpires make sports fun. U for unique, everyone special. My unique talent makes me, me. Being unique is a wonderful gift.
Each person has unique, special things.
Sometimes we feel unhappy inside hearts. What makes you feel unhappy today? Let's turn unhappy into happy. Happy feelings always come back again.
Butcher climbs. U for uphill. Challenging but possible.
Uphill is easier with friends. We made it uphill together.
Uphill hard, downhill fun reward.
Oh no, I'm unlucky today. Don't worry, sharing makes lucky. Look! Lucky Penny changes everything! Unlucky becomes lucky. Just wait. Patience. U for unfold. Opening secrets. Unfold shows how we made. Unfold and create something new. We play until bedtime comes soon. Until bedtime, 5 more minutes. Getting ready until bedtime, ritual complete.
Story continues until dreams come gently.
U for underwater, different world. Underwater has colorful, beautiful creatures. Underwater adventures are so exciting. Underwater treasures everywhere we look. U for unpack, what's inside? Unpack reveals fun trip memories. Unpack lunch, time to eat. Unpacking helps us find things. U teaches us unity, understanding. U, so useful. Ha ha!
You all learned letter U perfectly.